Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow cheese at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh milk, a starter culture, rennet, and salt. It is crucial to sterilize all your equipment thoroughly to prevent any unwanted bacteria from affecting your cheese. For the best flavor and texture, always select high-quality, unpasteurized milk. This foundational step ensures a clean and successful cheese-making process right from the start, setting you up for delicious results. Next, you will warm your milk to precisely 90 degrees Fahrenheit before gently stirring in your chosen starter culture. After this, add the rennet and allow the milk to set undisturbed for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until a firm curd forms. Once the curd is firm, carefully cut it into uniform 1/2-inch cubes using a long, thin knife. This precise cutting is vital for achieving the correct texture in your finished cheese. Now it is time to cook the curds. Slowly raise the temperature of the curds to 100 degrees Fahrenheit over a period of about 30 minutes. During this heating process, stir the curds gently and continuously to prevent them from matting together. Once cooked, drain the whey and transfer the curds to a cheese press. Press the curds for several hours, gradually increasing the weight, which helps expel more whey and form a solid block. Finally, we move to salting and aging. Brine your cheese in a 20% salt solution for several hours, which adds flavor and helps preserve it. After brining, transfer the cheese to a cool, humid environment, ideally between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for aging. Age the cheese for at least 2 months, flipping it daily during the initial period to ensure even drying and proper rind formation. Patience here will reward you with a wonderfully flavorful homemade yellow cheese.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.